Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Google Photos without deleting from your smartphone gallery. So the first step you need to do is to open any browser and you need to search for photos.google.com and you need to open the first website, that is Google Photos, and you need to log in. So click on go to Google Photos. So once you are here, you simply need to go back. Let me go back here. And here you need to click on sign in so that you can open that in your browser. So once you complete the sign in process, so here you can see that. And once you delete photo from here, it will only be deleted from your drive here, that is Google Photos, and not from your smartphone gallery. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.